please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
You're saying that we shouldn't second guess the RBI and that the regulator often conducts its business in confidentiality, and it's not necessarily fair to expect that this is done in public. But what about the board? And I'm asking you specifically about the board of Axis Bank, because in December, if they reappoint Shikha Sharma for a tenure of 3 years, given the apprehensions then expressed by the Reserve Bank, should the board then not have been more transparent? I mean, it looks like the board is capitulated in light of what the Reserve Bank has said, perhaps not put up a strong enough defense for why it chose to give her a 3-year term in the first place. What does that speak in terms of the board?
Well, there are 3 players in this. There is the RBI, there is Shikha Sharma, and then there is the board. I think the RBI, what I think of what it has done, I've already shared with you. As far as Shikha Sharma is concerned, she was given a 3-year term, and now she has volunteered that she will step down in December. And I think that is something that you cannot fault, because she could have continued till May of next year, going on the reduced 1-year term. She's chosen not to do that, giving enough time to the bank to find a successor. There's another development, which is before she was given this term, the board had appointed a search firm, which is what we were told, to locate a successor. Now, the board's role in all of this is not very clear. It's not something that is confidence-inducing. The reason I'm saying this is that, as you said rightly, if there were valid reasons to look at a 4th term of 3 years, and the board decided that collectively, when the regulator said, sorry, we don't agree with you on that, there should have been, I'm not saying a pushback, you don't push back with a regulator, but there should have been a continuing conversation saying this is why we think she should lead the bank for 3 more years. Because the way this decision is taken is that when the term is about to expire, you ask yourself 2 questions. Who is best to lead the bank in the next 3 years or 5 years or whatever? You don't ask the question, should we give her another extension? That's not the way to approach a succession issue. So you look at who that is, and if the board for good reasons decided, especially after appointing a search firm, decided, no, we will give her another term, I imagine there would have been some reasons why they did that. Why did they not go back to the RBI and say, look, this doesn't show the bank or the board in good light, and we need to do that? I think somewhere that conversation, if it took place, must have been a cursory conversation. I hope it was not a one-sided conversation.